Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to insert image in ConvertKit. Now the first thing I want you to do is log in, and here in the dashboard, click on send. You'll get this drop down, click on broadcast. Okay, we'll find an email to go ahead and add an image to, so I'll edit this one right here. And all you actually need to do, okay, is come here and actually just add a new block. So click on this plus icon and you can choose different blocks. So you can scroll down until you see image and click on that, or you can also do this. Okay, let me just press enter to get a new block. So type in / and then image. There we go. Choose image right here. We have multiple options. You can drag and drop your file. You can choose an image to upload using the file explorer as well, or you could click here and choose Instagram and just log into your Instagram account. You could use Unsplash. These are stock images you can go ahead and use. I'll actually upload our logo. So I'll come back here and here we go. This is our logo. I'll just drag and drop this right there. And all you need to do after this is come back here and resize this. Okay. So I am going to just slide this down, as you can see, as such. There you go. So this is our logo. Then let's change the alignment. Let's bring it to the left, right under our name. So that is how you insert image in ConvertKit.